Hi and welcome back to another watch mod. Today we're going to do something more nice, something for a suit. So I'll be taking this. Well, it's not silver; it's more stainless steel like Casio. Look at this first, and I'll get rid of all the writing except for the Casio part. And I want to keep the dial here, but this dial's too, well, not bright enough. So I'm going to take the watch face from this one and put it over here. First I'll take off these straps. Just like, okay. This just flew over there in the tray. And this one, we need to be a bit more careful, I guess. Keep my finger over here. So put them aside. Yeah, it's going to be it. Now I'll open up the back. A small screwdriver. So guess it's a bit hard to see for you from this angle, but well, just screws. I think you've seen that before. Okay, and I'll set aside the back plate. Okay, this time gasket is stuck up here. It's okay, leave it there for now. And we'll get out the module. Of course with the right end. Ooh, careful. So this should pop out. Very good. Setting aside everything, face down. Well, more or less. Now, I will keep this for this watch. Got something different planned for it. Okay, now we'll open this one. Ooh, almost lost this one. Same here. Okay. So, again, wrong end. No, come. So, okay, let's put this here. I'll put this one into the black one because I don't want to lose it. And let's put it together again. Now, you see, this is going quite fast. Okay. Okay. Now, remember, I don't know if you can see it, but you can maybe see it. There's a flat part on this gasket. This needs to go into this. I don't know if you see it, I guess you do. Into this, well, notch. I'm not going to loop this gasket for now, because I'm not using this watch yet. Okay, what's the top on here? The other way around? Yeah, the other way around. So I'm going to clean up the writing. Well, the silver ones, I think that was a bit harder, I can't remember. And here I want to keep this dial and the Casio. The rest needs to go. And I want to use this one because this writing is somewhat white or silverish. This matches a little bit better with the watch case. Okay, then got my Now, my lid. My good glue remover or adhesive remover. And didn't forget to shake it this time. Don't need much. That should be enough. Guess it's enough. And some Q-tips. Well, I've got a lot of them. So don't get this stuff on your fingers, or at least not too much of it and too long, because it's not very good for your skin, I guess. Okay. To begin, I will soak every text I want to get rid of a little bit, just to melt it down a little. I'm going to do the same thing on the case. Okay, I think I will start, with this stuff. Okay. Now this guy is going to take a while. So either I'm going to do a montage, well, some time-lapse thingy, or I will skip this entirely. So see you in a minute. Yeah. Now, where's the top side again? Okay, here's the notch again. So this goes in this way. And the watch module, of course, same direction. Okay, no, that was not optimal. But of course, we're stuck again on these pushers with these flaps. Going to push them aside. That's the light. So we're in. Very good. Okay, now I'll give the gasket a quick lube. Get these somewhere cheap on Amazon. Should be enough. Just a little bit. Now, again, searching for the top side. And putting the gasket in. Okay, that's almost inside. Make sure your gasket, the O-ring, is in the groove. Yeah, top side, very good. These have writing on the back side. Don't know if you can see it. That's the way. So you know where the top side is. That was correct. Yeah, that was correct. And we'll get the screws back in. Okay, I'm not on there properly, I guess. Oh, no, I am. So, got him. Okay, that's it. Last run around, just to make sure. Yeah, all good. Very nice. Good. It's clean. Nicely clean. Time's not correct. No. Okay. Now, I've got the leather strap to put on, but these won't fit as usual because they're 22 mils or 20, no, 22 I guess. But we've got some stainless steel adapters. They should match quite good. Yeah, that's good. Very good. So we're going to assemble these. So this took a while. These adapters are made a little bit tighter. Yeah, the bottom side is better than the top side. Maybe it's the coloring of, well, the case. Maybe, maybe not. But look at this nice watch. Beautiful. Get rid of this. Nice. Then, yeah, I'm happy with the text. Casio and the dial. This is a better dial than the other one. Well, for this case at least. Lever is good. Good. Now let's put it on. What does it look like? Okay, strap is long enough. That's very good. What's the hole? Can't find the hole. One too wide. Yeah, much better. And as always, the lever needs to wear in. Now, that's good. That's very good. Now look at this. Totally contrasted to the other one from last time. This will fit very good to some suits. Well, I don't wear too many suits, but sometimes I do. Nice. So, thank you very much. Tell me what you think about it. See you next time.